searching for the best cup of coffee in Phuket, and I've come here to Coffee Tabletop in Chantilly. This is Bill Barnett. I'm here hosting another episode of Thai Road Trip from C9 Hotel Works in Delivering Asia Communications. Everybody knows they know I love black t-shirts, and I love great coffee, and this is the place to go. So, I can smell the coffee coming. Well, actually I want to go to sleep now, but I need another coffee. Here at Tabletop Coffee, why do you guys have the best coffee in Phuket?
Because this one is we make from my heart. This is my favorite. Yes, it's like we make from the coffee from Northern Thailand. It's from Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, and Nan. We are mixed together, and then we have to do the process by myself, and then we got to start there to continue about the process, and then the rotate the coffee, and then send here.
So what choices of beans do we have? Do we have 3 different kinds?
Yes, because normally we got the exactly one is the medium and the dark one, and then this one the special. It seems like we got the honey process, the single one, but the original one we got the medium for hot coffee and the dark one for the iced coffee.
What's your secret to making the best coffee? Is it the machine? Is it the coffee beans?
Yes, everything is important. Even the ground machine or the machine is very special because we use the manual one, it's not the automatic.
Actually, make us a coffee, all right?
Yes.
Well, what's your favorite bean?
The flour bean is normally, we like the medium one. The dark one is also, this one is like nutty, fruity. This one is seem like a dark chocolate, yes.
So which one are we gonna have?
What would you like to drink?
I think it'll be nutty.
Nutty, right?
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
And make us a coffee.
Yes.
We've got our coffee. Thank you, Kun Lat. Wow, I'm going to wake up here with a coffee. And don't forget to join us again on the next episode of Thailand Road Trip. Certainly with C9 Hotel Works and Delivering Asia Communications. See you next time, and join our YouTube channel as well. Thank you. Kun Lat, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bottoms up. I'm awake.